So the awning on my RV pulled out, and it started out as just a couple inches. Now it's darn near a foot. So I've watched some videos. I'm trying to avoid doing the whole like take off and replace type of thing. So I think I'm gonna try to get it back in the track. Get this, whatever, get this ribbing or whatever. And I'm gonna use, I've got some screen tools, and I've done, replace screens. So I'm gonna see if I can force it back in the track that way. So I extended it out some, pulled it back, tied it off to give me slack. That way I'm not working under, working it under tension. And I just want to give a little plug, assuming I tied this right, a knot I learned off of Cascadian Preparedness channel by Austin Chambers, the author of a book series, Cascadia Fallen. Assuming I tied that right, I was able to, loop through and kind of ratchet down, tie this off. I did it on both ends. So I'm gonna get up there and see if I can get it back in that track, in that channel. So if nothing else, you guys might get some free entertainment out of this. So I got it back in the track. It actually popped in pretty easy. But I think what the problem might be, everything I've seen talks about kind of crimping this channel that lays in. So I think I tried doing it with the channel locks, but I think maybe I need to take a drift or maybe a chisel and a hammer and ding it right there to kind of pinch that. So let me go get some other tools. hopefully that holds. I might have to see if, I don't know, maybe I need to put a little screw in there. I kind of dinged it with the chisel to try to crimp it down. But we shall see. Let me roll it out. Well, hopefully it holds.